Can you hear me okay? Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? All right. Okay. I think you guys can hear me just well. If you are new here, my name is Shae. Welcome back to my channel. I do videos on locks and a whole bunch of other stuff that I really don't post about enough. You get the drift. It's mostly locks, but you know, we're going to be doing more in 2024. First, before we do anything, remember, if you've been with me, you know this plant was luscious, living her best life, and now look right here. I think I overwatered it a little bit, but I'm gonna get her back. I'm gonna get her back to her glory pretty soon here. In today's video, we are talking about my 3 go-to braided lock hairstyles, and we'll start with this one right here. This one I just braid. There are 3 locks in each braid, and I just braid it going to the back. I love this hairstyle. I'm pretty sure I started wearing it last year. I started wearing it out because you guys know when I wash my hair, I always braid it up and then I'll take it out. When my locks were shorter, I would braid it up and let it dry and then take it out right away. Like I never wore my braids because they were short and I didn't like how it looked. I'll have to go back and figure out when I started actually like comfortably wearing them braided up. I can't remember. I think you know what? I need to go back and look. But now like I'm loving wearing the braided look. I feel so comfortable with it because it's getting longer. And now I feel like I can wear my braids for days. Whereas before, like I said, it was only about one day I would wear it braided up and then I would take it out. My second go-to braided lock hairstyle is these braids once again, but they are over to the side. I started doing this last November. So with my locks growing, I'm finally able to braid them on the side and I'm not taking them down no time soon. So I just braided them over. I'll probably be wearing it like this for a while. I started doing this last November. You guys know that I am a bust down in the middle part girl. I never wear my hair to the side because it always gets in my face. I like how it looks, but it always gets in my face and we're busy. We're working every day. I don't have time to be doing this. I don't have time to be doing that all day. So I just bust down the middle and I'm good to go. Last November, I braided it to the side and I fell in love. I was like, oh my gosh, this is my new go-to braided hairstyle. Now, I'll tell you, when I do take it down, we right back to the middle because that's how I like to wear it when it's out. So that is my second braided hairstyle to the side. 3 braids. Takes me like 20 minutes to braid it up. Leave it in for 3, 4, maybe even, I don't know if I've went 5 days, 3, 4 days, and then I take it out and wear it out. My last tried and true lock braided hairstyle, or braided lock hairstyle, however we want to say it, is the braided lock bun. This one is like my little elegant updo. If I have to go to a wedding, or like a little evening event, I always choose this hairstyle, especially like if I'm wearing like a nice dress or gown. I kind of want my locks to be up. So this is my go-to hairstyle for those type of events. I also wear it casually, like, you know, to work sometimes if I just feel like having it up. But I am noticing that, you know, as it gets longer, it's harder to do a bun. I have been doing this one forever, ever since my first lock journey. My second one, did I do my second one? I might have just had like I don't know if I did it my second one, and then my third one. Now this one I could do early on. As soon as I was able to make like a little bun And I mean, in the very early stages, it's me like tucking it in, like tucking all the loose parts in. I was doing this. This is like my elegant go-to updo hairstyle. Super easy to do. I'm pretty sure I have a video on it. But I just braid my hair to the side. You know, braid the locks, whatever, three braids per lock to the side, and so you can have the little swoop. And then I just bun it up in the back. Now this one I can probably only wear for a day or two because number one, I don't sleep in this hairstyle because I don't want a big bun on the back of my head when I'm sleeping. Like, I just want least amount of tension pressure as possible. So this one I will only do for like a day or two. And dang, what was I gonna say? Shoot, I forgot. Okay, I don't remember. Moving right along. So I'll only do it for like a day or two and then I'll take it out because I don't want to, number one, I don't want to sleep with the bun. That's what I was going to say. Number two, I don't want to get up every morning and have to rebun it again. So it's just like, it's too much work for me. So 1 or 2 days and that's it. Now, I did do another variation of this hairstyle and I'm sure I made a video about it. Where I did the swoop, I did the braids and I did the swoop, but I didn't bun it and I just left it out in a ponytail and it was cute. I didn't feel like bunning it that day, I remember, so I was like, let me just leave it up. Did I wear it out, like out and about? I can't remember. I'm pretty sure I did, but I'll have to go back and look. But yeah, look, it's creeping back in. Like, so it makes me sad. Let me just turn it a little bit more. Okay. We'll just leave it like that. So that's my other hairstyle. That was a super quick video, right? I mean, okay, you know what I'll do? Let me give you a 360 of these braids. I braided them up yesterday and I will wear them for a few days and then I'll take them down. So let me just give you a quick little 360. I'm counting them. That's 5. Let's count them real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's 11. And then 12, 13, 14. So I got 14 braids here. And that is the front. And then I'll just pull them all to the back so you can see them. Hopefully that was good. Yep. I'm really excited to do more hairstyles in the future. I know as your locks get longer, I think you may kind of be limited on what you can do, but there are still some that I'll probably be able to try. Like the one that I'm looking most forward to is just like a long ponytail, like a long ponytail. Like that's what I'm looking forward to. I'm not there yet. Like I do like low ponytails now, but I'm just looking for like a long, like that type of ponytail. So that's what I'm looking forward to. But like I always say, enjoy where you are with your locks, whatever phase that you're in, because it doesn't last long. It doesn't last long. I know you guys remember when I had my short, when my locks were short, I was able to wear like cute little funky ponytails. I always talk about this, but cute little funky ponytails and like a top knot. I haven't tried a top knot in a long time because I just know it would be a struggle. It'd be a struggle with the length of my locks and the thickness of my locks. So I just try to enjoy every phase. Right now, I am loving these 3 go-to braided lock hairstyles. I'm enjoying them, and I think, you know what, these for the most part I'm going to be able to do forever, with the exception of the bun, because I just can't see it. I can't see it. But the other 2 I'll be able to do forever, and I'm excited about it because I really like them. I know I had did like, I don't know if it was a TikTok or maybe it was in a video. I was talking about like, what if I just kept it braided and never took them out again? I know I said that somewhere. I would have like 14 Congo thick locks. I think it would be so fly, but you wouldn't have the versatility that you do now. So that's probably a no-go. But anyway, That's it. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Also, tell me which one's your favorite. That'd be nice. Tell me which one's your favorite, and I will see you in the next video.